How to do payroll on ADP. So log into your ADP account, go to the ADP portal, enter your username and password, make sure you have payroll permissions, verify employee and company setup, confirm all employees are added with correct names, addresses, and social security numbers, ensure tax withholding info and pay rates are up to date, set or confirm your payroll schedule in the payroll or employee section, check that your pay frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, matches your company policy. Click Run Payroll from the left menu or homepage. Select Payroll slash and then Run Payroll. Enter or review employee hours slash pay for hourly employees. Input or confirm hours worked for the pay period for salaried employees. Confirm salary amounts and any bonuses, commissions, or overtime. Review the payroll summary. Check total wages, taxes, and deductions for each employee. Adjust anything if needed, like PTO, overtime deductions, benefits before approving. Approve and submit payroll. Click Approve. Then confirm submission to process payroll. Make sure you see a confirmation message from the ADP that payroll was submitted successfully. Review the confirmation screen and reports on the final screen. Confirm that payroll is complete. Optionally generate reports for records and accounting. Then finish the pay run. Click Done to close the pay run and return to the homepage. Keep payroll records in ADP and your own bookkeeping system for compliance. If this helps you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.